this is where I'm going to tell you guys about sound effects in films. Well, the first thing, the people that perform that job, they are called Foley artists. They're named after a guy named Jack Foley. And now, I'm going to give you an idea of what the Foley artists do. Take a look at our screen up here. This is raw film footage from the Nutty Professor 2 of the Clumps.
Would you please put your clothes back on? You hurt yourself. You look like a roast chicken. That was a lucky shot.
Now the scene's funny, but it would be better if it had sound to it. So this is what the Foley artists do. They take that film footage into a studio like this, and they bang on gadgets and make sounds.
Would you please put your clothes back on? You hurt yourself. You look like a roast chicken. That was a lucky shot.
Helpers up here. All of these guys are going to be our honorary Foley artists of the day. And you guys are going to add sound and some dialogue to the following films. Let's see. We have U571, The Scorpion King, and Shrek. So let's meet everybody real quick. All right, now here's your job. You're going to wait for this to light up. You're going to take that handle right here. You're going to turn that crank, use all your strength, it's kind of heavy, and just keep turning that crank as fast as you can until that light goes off, okay? Isaac, all right, you look like you're kind of muscular. Yeah, that's good. Now, because you're going to wait for this light, it's going to go on and off, okay? So you got to keep your eye on that light. Every time it comes on, you do this. All right? Andrew and Robert, this is your job, okay? See that light down there? That's going to come on. When it comes on, you're going to do just what you did. You're going to do that. All right? It's kind of gross and disgusting, but it's okay. You're going to wait for this to light up. When it lights up, you're going to ball your fist, think about all that homework you had to do all year, and bang on that barrel until the light goes off, okay? Then you're going to scooch out of the way because, what's your name? Ray. Come over here, Ray. Ray is going to be waiting for this light. When it comes on, you're going to do this. Dude, what's your name? David? David, you're going to be our ADR guy. He's all, well, what is that? I don't know. Am I going to die or something? No, it's automatic dialogue replacement because sometimes we have to add in some more dialogue into a film in case there was some noises or something. I have to redo it. So you're going to be our actor. Yeah, all right. Now, all I need you to do, let's see, let's give you a little audition. Read everything next to the number 1 on that board. Okay, here we go. Pretty good, but remember, it's an action scene, and you're about to die! Okay? So, he's all, let me take out the gum for the action scene. Okay, good. You don't have to do it again right now, but when we record, you give it some gusto. Just remember, this light's going to come on 4 times. The first time it comes on, you read what you just did, give it some gusto. The second time it comes on, read line number 2. Third time, line number 3, and then line number 4. All right? Cool. He's got it. He's the man. Okay, now you guys, I need your help. I need all of you to help me out, okay? Here's your job. See this sign? It's going to light up. It says, Walla Walla. Now, I'm going to need you guys to yell and scream at the top of your lungs, Walla 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 Walla, over and over and over again, okay? And you can even throw in a few whistles and whoa! Like that, okay? Let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now you're going to keep it up as loud as you can until the light goes off. When the light goes off, all you have to do is real simple. You're just going to give an ogre yell. There's a scene in the movie where he yells at the villagers. So I need to hear you just give a little yell. Let's try it out. Yeah. Roar! Roar! Perfect. All right, everybody, watch for your lights. Keep your eye on your lights. We're going to record, okay?
Mayday! Cross the line! Ahoy there!
trouble. Probably when I lifted it up, I shorted it out or something. We've been having crazy problems today. I'm sorry. Listen, we're going to do the playback so you guys can hear what you just recorded. Come with me. We're going to have you do your part live. Come on over here. Okay, you guys. All right, first. Hey, how you doing? You good? Okay. All right, everybody watch the center screen. You guys come on over here. We're going to watch what we just recorded. He'll do his part live. So come on over.
Mayday, close the line. Avoid there.
Here comes you guys. Back up there. Hey, look, hey! How many times have I told you not to talk about my mama? Now get out of town! Now you guys want to mud. Well, you guys, let's turn around and take a bow. Thank you guys for coming out. Let's give them a hand. Actually, keep your butts on because us and your A-OK. You guys are awesome. I hope you had fun today. You were great. You were not in sync. It's okay. It's great. You guys, thanks so much.
והנה הכוכב שלנו.